Hi, Casey Berman from Leave Law Behind here, and thank you so much for joining me for this week's video. You know, Thanksgiving is here, and we're taught to be thankful, to give gratitude, and I want to talk about gratitude and giving thanks and appreciation sort of within the confines and the dynamic of leaving the law. This can be difficult because a lot of the reasons we're leaving the law are things that we're not very thankful for when you think about it. We want to leave a horrible job situation, we're under crushing debt, we are regretful that we went to law school, and on and on and on. So we look around and say, I don't know, Casey, not a lot here to be appreciative about. But first off, let's go through real quickly as to why appreciation and being grateful is so good for us, regardless of the situation around us. One, it makes us stronger. Studies have shown physical strength, emotional strength. It enables us to reduce our stress. Just really thinking positive emotions and not thinking negative, toxic emotions, as we all know, is better for our body. So since we all know that appreciation and gratitude is good for us, whether it's Thanksgiving or really any time, then how do we really do it that is sincere? How do we do this? So the first thing to think about is just kind of generally, what are we thankful for, right? We're thankful for the sun that brings us food and warmth. We're thankful that we're healthy. We're thankful for our family. We're thankful that our knees work. We're thankful we're not in a war-torn country, and on and on and on. Those are things that we all sort of nod our head and say, okay, I get it. I am thankful for that. I encourage you to really think about those simple things. I mean, if the sun went away, or if there was smog in your city or something like that, it would change things that we now take for granted. But more specifically about our situation, what are some things that ironically that we just hate or that weigh us down that we could be thankful for? So the first thing is, let's talk about our student debt, for example. I mean, there's crushing debt that we have, and we stay in our jobs as attorneys to get a salary in order to obviously pay our bills. And one of those bills is that student debt, that law school debt payment that we need to make. How can we be thankful for that? There's a lot that we can't be thankful about. Why did I take on this debt? I shouldn't have gone to law school, and so on and so forth. But really, when you think about it, let's flip it. It's there. It's not going to go away just yet. But when you think about, if we look at that debt and if we say, you know what, thank you, debt. This is only going to make me stronger. I mean, Nietzsche said it, that which does not kill me only makes me stronger. But the point here to bring to us is just a mindset shift around our student debt or something else weighing us down, where we say, you know what, I'm thankful I have this challenge, because in my life, this movie that is my life, I'm going to find a way around it. I'm going to find a way to accept it. I'm going to find a way to get over it. So really this shift of that, this is now an opportunity for you to show your strength. It's an opportunity for you to get stronger. It's an opportunity for you to find a non-law alternative career that just pays you a ton of money. You add a ton of value and they pay you a ton of money. You pay down your debt. Really, this happens. I have clients who've gone to tech companies who are now filing for IPOs. This happens. The next thing to think about is how we can be grateful for what we can give. So we're going through this process. You probably Googled alternative job, or I hate being a lawyer, or how do I get out of law, or whatever it is that got you to this video and to this site and to this community. And you may say, how can I be thankful for the fact that I'm Googling these negative things? And what I would say is that here's an opportunity for you to really give. Be thankful for now an opportunity in your life for you to give and to be helpful to others. Because isn't that why we're here? The problem many of us have is we're giving to clients that we don't really care about. We're giving to firms and organizations that we're not really aligned with. Now you have an opportunity to leave the law, leave your practice behind, really understand what I call your unique genius, those skills and strengths that you're really good at, and to find those people and tribes and organizations and movements that you really, really, really can help. So if there's two things to think about as we celebrate Thanksgiving and as we move on with leaving the law, it is, I want to be thankful for all these challenges, even weights that I have that can enable me to really optimize my strength. And second of all, I want to be thankful for the opportunity now to understand what I'm really, really good at so that I can give back and really help others in a non-law alternative role. If you're looking and serious about leaving the law, click the button below. I have a ton of different ways that you can get started to leave the law that are very cost effective, everywhere from $1 to $97, upwards of $1,500 for direct coaching with me. Please click the button below and read what I've put together. I think you'll find it very interesting. And if you're serious about leaving the law, this is a proven way to move forward. And if you're in San Francisco on Monday, December 4th, please click the other link below. I'm doing a live event. It's only $20. If you can't make it, I'll refund your money. If you're in San Francisco, come to the live event. We're going to do coaching. We're going to connect with a bunch of other people who have left the law. I would love to see you there. Casey Berman from Leave Law Behind. Let's be grateful for things in general and also for what are a challenge or things that are weighing us down. Let's find a way we can be grateful for those, which only enables us to be stronger and to really understand how we can add value and take care of others. Casey Berman from Leave Law Behind. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.